All right, TownePlace Suites.
Suites.
TownePlace Suites, room 425. We just checked in. We just got in, so we're going to take you through a quick tour of everything. Again, this is came in the night before the cruise. We saw some reviews on this and we thought we'll give it a try. The reason we got it, and we'll show, is you do have a full kitchen. You do have a fridge.
Nice big fridge.
Nice big fridge. You do have place settings, ice maker, dishwasher, if you're gonna be here. It's like a cooktop, coffee maker.
It's a toaster.
Yep, here.
Bowls.
And you got ironing board, everything in here. Some storage. Bed, with a king size bed. TV off the main room. And the reason why we booked it is because we had a balcony. You had to pay a little extra for the balcony, but you get a view of the ocean. It does have a pool, which that's beneficial. But overall, this comes with a optional. We paid $25 per person for the express. Takes you from the airport, which is about a 45-minute ride to here. So we're gonna see what's going on. It doesn't include breakfast, right, Brandy? Okay. All right, we're gonna go see what trouble we can get into. We'll keep you posted. Walk around the free breakfast, see what they got. I got some donuts, eggs, oatmeal. Good morning, how are you? Good. Ready-made waffle stations. So that'll be the next stop. Your bagel maker. We got here some sausage, toast. I do have a juice station though, so brandy, so overall, not bad.